TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheese.
Little Christmas trees. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Chocolate, pomegranate, and lychee. Interesting. Hello. Well, we're in the parking lot of a Safeway. I think the last one open in the region. Had a pretty, I should say good and bad day. But a good day. We went and saw family, but at the same time, we had a fiasco with our car as soon as we arrived. So that just really put a damper on enjoying the day. It ended up being something minor, just a battery, but just really inconvenient and annoying, and just something that we didn't want to deal with. So the dogs are freaking out. Boo's back there, not happy. Pickles is sleeping, so she's been a pretty good dog and got lots of love from people, so it was good. Oh yeah, so on my way up here, my LV order still hadn't arrived to the store, so I couldn't stop in Portland and pick that up. So that was going to be my morning. I was hoping to get some footage and just have a little bit of luxury experience to start my day and start my holiday, and that's not happening, and I don't know when it's going to, but it's okay. You know, it is what it is. It was a gift to me anyway, so it wasn't like it was that big of a deal, but just was hoping to experience that. So anyway, it's about an hour and a half or so to get home, and hopefully the rest of this drive will be uneventful, and we'll be doing advent calendars and all that stuff. There's nothing like a big fluffy sweatshirt to jump into at the end of the night. But real quick, I wanted to talk about my favorite fragrance, especially for this time of year, but Holiday by House of Sillage. I love to wear it on all the major holidays, but especially at this time of year. It's a very crisp, clean fragrance. Pine-ish evergreen, but with citrus. It's just a really lovely scent. So if you have that or can get your hands on it, I highly recommend trying that out. I just really like the way it is. And there's the kids going crazy. Okay, it's the big finale.
Last one.
Pickles will not be able to chew on this box anymore.
Okay, yep. Enjoy it while it's here. It's a red. It's a Cabernet Sauvignon from France.
Oh, the gift that keeps on giving, all these reds. Pays d'Oak? IGP. Interesting.
Don't know what that means.
My 2 cents. Interesting. As we're dismantling the box, I was laughing because it says, taste wines from around the world. It was literally one part of the world. It wasn't like we had wines from Oregon and Portugal. Well, we had Portugal and Spain.
Australia.
We didn't have things from all over the world. We literally had European wine.
Yeah.
So, not much of a wine adventure, but it is what it is. We just got home from Grandma's house, and the dogs are extra psychotic because they've been in the car all day.
Yeah.
So here we are on day 24 of Advent calendars.
24.
Should be that giant box there, so we'll see.
Oh, yep, that would be the one. Here we go.
That should make you happy.
I bet it's a toy.
He's here. He's like, what?
This isn't one of Bamboo's favorite, but he'll play with it with Pickles, I'm sure. It's a rope tug. Rope tug. What do you think? Take it.
Oh, he's like, I'll
take it. Take it.
Because she's going to want
Bite
it.
hard.
I'm going to take it.
Bite it. Bite it. Take it.
Good boy.
Okay. Tug. You're letting me have it too easily. Come on. Rawr. Pretend I'm your sister. Arr. 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 Well, you'll get it. Hey, give me that rubber band. There we go.
He was like, what? But it was for me.
It's for both of you.
Where's the box up here, Bubba?
Yeah, we've got one for you here. Okay. What is it? It should be easy to find.
It's on the right-hand side over here.
Right-hand side.
It's the last closed one.
Is there? Oh, there it is. I didn't see it behind that flap. Okay. Well, whatever. Tear it to pieces. It doesn't matter. This is the last one.
That one's ready to go in the recycling.
Yeah, there we go.
What do we got, Bubba Bear?
It's the mini chicken wrapped stick. So it's, yep, there you go. It's got chicken bacon on it. No pickles. This isn't for you.
Let's go ahead and give it to him.
Play with your rope.
You've been a good boy.
Yes.
You've been a good dog, right, Bubba?
Yep.
Hey, look at my face. I've been a good boy.
Besides, you've been bored for a while.
Nom, 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 nom. Yep.
Nope.
She's like, where's mine? You got a rope.
You have a rope.
She's like, but I want food. It doesn't smell like food. That's okay. Close that up.
Last chapter of your story.
Yes, I got cozy. So my Zella that I bought myself for Christmas. My cozy purple.
Very nice.
What is day 24?
It's a box of.
This is actually a 25-day calendar, so maybe I should.
Yeah, we'll get
Well,
that
I'll do
one
Christmas
tomorrow.
morning.
Yeah.
What did I get for Christmas Eve? What can I fix my face with?
It's how
It's just ordinary. Mandelic acid. I don't know what that is.
Direct acid.
Interesting. To try that out. I don't know what it does, but
All right.
I'm sure it'll be good.
One more lift on that, and that's big.
That'll be my present.
Wow, seriously? Oh, I have it sideways. That's why.
All right, and last but not
this should
least,
be the last one of these.
Condi.
Oh, yeah, here we go. It's a big. It is also a big.
It is a big.
Mr. Chancellor, we are for the big.
It's Santa.
Giant Santa.
Bite his head off.
I bet he's hollow.
Is it so hollow?
Yeah, he'd be a lot heavier if he was solid or filled.
Well, there we go. The end of Advent calendars.
Yep.
Yum.
Except.
The only thing I'm missing is you.